10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x is equal to 600. We have to find the value of x. So here we can take 10 to the power x common and write 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 600, or 10 to the power x times 3 is equal to 600. Now divide both the sides by 3. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 times 200 is 600. So we have 10 to the power x is equal to 200. Now let's take log to both the sides. Log 10 to the power x is equal to log 200. Now log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So we can write here x log 10 is equal to log 200, and log 200 we can write it as log 2 times 100, or x log 10 is equal to, now log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it is log 2 plus log 100. Now divide both the sides by log 10. So this log 10 and log 10 gets cancelled. X is equal to, log 10 is the common denominator, so we can write it as log 2 upon log 10 is equal to log 100 upon log 10, or x is equal to, now log a upon log b is equal to log a with base b. So we write it log 2 with base 10 plus log 100 we can write it as log 10 square and with base 10, or x is equal to log 2 with base 10. This 2 will come here, so it will be 2 log 10 with base 10. Now log 10 with base 10, the value is 1. So it will be x is equal to, and log 2 with base 10, the value is approximately equal to 0.3010. So it is 0.3010 plus 2 times 1 is equal to 2, or x is equal to approximately 2.3010. So this is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.